Let's talk about leisure activities. What is a leisure activity? A leisure activity are different activities you can do on your free time. This is mostly on weeknights and on the weekend. What are different types of leisure activities? Playing games is a leisure activity. Resting is a leisure activity. Playing cards is a leisure activity. Puzzles are a leisure activity. Playing sports is a leisure activity. Art is a leisure activity. Shopping is a leisure activity. Playing video games is a leisure activity. Taking scenic drives is a leisure activity. Reading is a leisure activity. Listening to music is a leisure activity. Exercising is a leisure activity. Spending time with a friend is a leisure activity. Visiting a museum is a leisure activity. Going to the movies is a leisure activity. Watching TV is a leisure activity. Watching videos is a leisure activity. Going out to a restaurant is a leisure activity. Baking is a leisure activity. Visiting the park is a leisure activity. Playing music is a leisure activity. Going to an amusement park is a leisure activity. Dancing is a leisure activity. Let's review and answer questions now. What are they doing together? Who is listening to music? What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? What is she doing? What are they doing? What is this person playing with? What is your favorite leisure activity? Keywords to learn.